Hey guys, Trey from AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're checking out the Red Rock powered heated towing mirrors with the smoke turn signal in black for the 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500s. If you're a Ram owner looking to improve towing visibility and some added useful features, then these mirrors are a solid option. They're great for anyone who tows regularly, offering a wider view and a heated function to keep your mirrors clear in colder weather. These Red Rock towing mirrors offer several functional upgrades over stock. They feature power adjustability to easily change the angle of the mirror while you're inside the cabin, and heating elements to prevent fogging and ice buildup in colder weather. With smoke turn signals and integrated into the mirrors, you also get the added visibility to other drivers on the road. The larger mirror surface and extended arms give you an improved line of sight around trailers and wider loads, which is a big help when you're maneuvering or backing up something like a trailer. Built from durable ABS plastic with a tough black finish, these mirrors are designed to handle the demands of towing and off-road conditions without cracking or fading. The smoke turn signals and the sturdy build keep the mirrors looking sharp and providing reliable performance for the long haul. As far as pricing on these lights, are in the mid $200 range for the pair. They offer a nice range of towing features without breaking the bank. They're an affordable upgrade for any Ram 1500 owner who wants to improve visibility and functionality without the higher cost of factory towing mirrors. Installation is going to be rated 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty scale, and you'll want to set aside about 2 hours to get this job done. These mirrors are a direct replacement for factory units, so you'll have them installed without any custom work. Now let's check out an install video from one of our AmericanTrucks.com customers and see exactly how these are going to go on your 1500.
The tools I used was a flathead screwdriver, a 3/8 ratchet with a 3/8 extension and 10mm socket, an angled pick, a bit driver with a T20 Torx bit, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Today we're installing the Red Rock towing mirrors on a 2015 Ram. It fits for a 2013 to 2018 or 2019 Up Classic. First thing you want to do is get a flathead screwdriver or a pry tool. Get in right here and pop this pillar panel on. Your next step is going to be removing the 6 Torx bits that hold the door panel on. They just very easily unscrew. It helps if you get like a little bit of pressure on them. Then you got these 2 on the very inside right here. Just like loosely unscrew. Then you can take your pry tool or your flathead screwdriver and go back and pop it all the way out. Or if it's easier, you can just use your finger. Next, you'll want to take a flathead screwdriver and right behind your door handle, pop this little plate on. There'll be a Phillips head back there. Take your Phillips head screwdriver, just undo this. You can grab a flathead or a pry or a pick. This right here pops up. Now your door panel is completely loose. Just lift straight up on it and back. If you'll look right in here, these hooks on the bottom, you can take and slide back in to let it rest while you want. And if you want to also, you can take and pop up your window selector. And then just unplug it, set it to the side. Now, you can take that all the way off and set it out of your way. Next, you want to take a little pick. Right here, the black plug's what you're going to want to unplug. Push down on the tab. It'll slide right out. Last, take a 10mm and a 3/8 drive. Just loosen each one of these up one by one. You don't want to take them all the way out yet though. Now, take your hand and hold the mirror up so it don't fall, and you can take them all the way off. Now you have to push a little bit hard because there's a little clip right in here that holds it too. And there it goes out. Just take your new mirror, stick your connectors through the oval hole in the bottom for it. Line your 3 studs up. And then the hole for the clip. Snap it in. The clip should hold it in while you put your bolts on, but you still might want to keep a hand on it just in case. And then come back over this side now. And then just put your new nuts on by hand to make sure ain't nothing cross-threading or anything. Then take your 10mm socket and ratchet and tighten them up. You kind of want to do it in a pattern instead of all one time, kind of like how you do a tire. That way they'll all tighten up evenly. If not, you'll get too tight and then like this, it'll be loose again. There really isn't an exact torque on it, just, I don't know, a couple good ugga-duggas should do it. Then when you go to plug these in, you've got 2 connectors back here on the back side. The black will go on top. And they just snap in. Then you can take your wire, put it right in here with some tape around it, and that'll hold it in place. And then again, right in here. Then your door panel, when you put it back on, you're just going to line these tabs up right here with each of the holes lined up for them. You can pop this little piece out that goes around the lock and make it a little easier to line it up too. There we go. And just slide this back over. Well, don't do like I did. Make sure you get your window wire up first. Yeah. All right, now you can stick this back in again. Do a little test, make sure it still works, I guess. And this will just slide right back over the door handle like it came out. Take your Phillips head screw, put it back in. slide the little cover back over it. The tab that sticks out like this goes down. Put your little pillar cover on. And lastly, all these little Torx heads, just take and slide them and push them back in. Two on each side and two on the bottom. Now everything should work.
Well, that's going to wrap it up for our review and install the Red Rock powered heated towing mirrors with smoked turn signals in black for the 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500s. And for all things Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.